Hello friends, subscribe to our channel Flavors of Saurashtrian Food and click the bell icon to never miss our latest video update.
Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel Flavors of Saurashtrian Food. Today we are going to learn how to prepare Poltae Chaino, which is very easy and simple to prepare. It is perfect for beginners like me. Let's quickly go and check out the ingredients required. Here I am going to take 250 grams of mutton which is cleanly washed, salt to taste, pinch of garam masala powder, 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder, half onion finely chopped, 1 inch of ginger finely chopped, 3 to 4 spoons of oil, 1 green chilli, half spoon of pepper powder, few coriander leaves and 1/4 spoon of mustard seeds. Now let's see the procedure to cook. First we need to boil the mutton. To boil the mutton, switch on the stove and keep it in sim and place cooker on it. Then add 1 glass of water. Next add mutton. Then turmeric powder, ginger, green chilli and few onions. Now close the cooker lid and boil it for 15 to 20 whistles. If you feel that the mutton is not cooked, then boil it for few more whistles. Now let's move on to the fry part. To fry the mutton, keep a kadai and switch on the stove and keep it in sim. Then add oil into it. Once the oil is hot, then add mustard seeds. The mustard seeds started sputtering, then add onions. Now saute it till the onion turns slightly brown. Then add boiled mutton into it. Mix once everything properly. Then add salt. Then add coconut. Coconut gives a very good flavor with mutton. It actually gives a crunchy taste in your mouth. Now mix once again everything. Now add pepper powder. Pepper powder is optional guys, but it tastes very good. Once again mix everything and cook it till the water is completely absorbed. You can see here the water is almost absorbed. At this stage add garam masala and coriander leaves and mix once again everything. Keep it in sim for 1 or 2 minutes. Tasty Poltae Chaino is ready to eat. It goes very well with rice and rasam. Do check out the description box for more details. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this recipe, then try this in your home and do let us know how it tastes in your comments. Stay tuned for more recipes. Soon we are going to meet in a new recipe. Till then,